Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, it's not really very impressive action since our last discussion in the weekly research on this market. And the major point that we have discussed in the breakout, the 1280 area, hasn't happened yet. So market indeed very accurately has dropped right to this area, as we have talked about yesterday. But the anticipated breakout that we said, that's now we have to closely watch what will happen. So if market will not break this support area down, it will significantly increase chance on the upward action. And as you can see on the daily chart, we still have our bullish grabber and it's still valid because market hasn't taken out the 1280 lows. And this grabber could really change the overall situation from top to bottom because it's just taking out of this spike up, and in fact market could break the 13 even area as a result of this grabber, and it still will. That's why as we're coming closer to Wyoming meeting, situation will become hotter and tougher, and probably volatility will start to increase, and so we just need be careful what will happen and what is going on here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, situation is mostly the same. We have the good evening star pattern, bearish grabber, suggest the taking out of the lows, and indeed this could happen. But guys, at the same time, the standing around 1280 has some technical reasons. It's not just some occasion or something just out unexpected. Because here, guys, actually we have the long-term support area. You can see this is the channel. This is the first reason. Second reason, beyond the neckline of our hand and shoulders pattern, this is also 618 extension of this A, B, C top. Market has dropped to the 618. Now it's in consolidation. And that's why the standing actually has the technical background. But at the same time, it should not be too long. So for the hand and shoulders pattern in general, this is not immediate breakout. It's already signs of weakness. So this is not a good. But I think that this just is due to some more volatility on expectation, and it's not just ordinary hand and shoulders pattern. That's why it's probably is acceptable in current situation. What really could happen is that take a look. If market will drop this area, next area that we'll be watching for stands at 1272. This is 100% target of this A, B, C type pattern, and that could be also some kind of the butterflies has the 1618 around the same 1272 area. So market still has chance to show the downward breakout. But if this will not happen, as I said, we have the bullish grabber on the daily chart. The market still hasn't taken out of these lows, and if this will not happen, we should be ready for the upward action and taking out of this top. Because in general, for the hand shoulders pattern, as I said, this standing on the sideways on the right shoulder, it's not really good sign, because by the nature of the hand shoulders, this right side of the pattern should be controlled by the bears, and as far we are going in time to the final point of the hand shoulders, the stronger control should be. But here we have the opposite situation. Here, as we see, the good signs of the control of the bears as the drop on the slope of the head was really fast. But here we see that this control becomes weaker because market shows no acceleration, has turned to some sideways action, and it's really a bit stands in opposite to market mechanics of the hand shoulders pattern. That's why, guys, this situation is really very tricky. But currently it's still unclear why this is going on. I mean, either this is reaction on some targets and stronger support around the neckline is coming from, as I said, this channel, and it's also ABCD 618 target. This maybe market stands a bit longer here. or it's coming from the fundamental, since market investors starts to rebalance their portfolios before the Wyoming meeting, and maybe long-term investors for keeping the long position uh, on the gold markets. Probably maybe some changing is coming in the positions, how something on the like on the forex market. So some pressure on other major currencies increased as long-term shorts positions against the dollar is unwieldy right now before the important event on the current week. The same could happen on the gold market as well. That could bring the sideways action. So but currently, guys, I don't see any signs for really to worry about it, and because yes, it's a bit flatter, but in general, market stands in some kind of the triangle here as bounce becomes smaller. Here we also have some kind of the tweezers forming. That's potentially bearish, and chance market could show the breakout still exists.